Ready to level up your programming skills? Hit that subscribe button and join our community of passionate coders. Don't miss out on future videos packed with valuable insights and tutorials on mastering conditional statements and other programming basics. So, in this lesson, we are going to talk about strings. Now, a string in Python is just something that holds information. So what you're going to want to do is type in your file name when you go over to File and get ready to save your file is string.py. Okay, and we're going to save that. And now what we're going to do is create our string. So we're going to say hello as our variable and say this is me coding in Python. And then what you're going to want to do is type print hello. And what this is going to do is it's going to print this string. If we run it, it's going to print I am coding in Python. Let's take a look at another example. Let's do name equals Bob. And then let's do print name. So what's going to do is print Bob. Or sorry, you have to, oops, forgot the parentheses there. You're going to want to make sure you add in parentheses, otherwise it won't work. Thanks guys for watching, and see you in my next video.